In this video, I'll show you how to use any car mods in NFS Post Order 2012 without errors. Check my video description for this car mod link. Choose the car you like. For this tutorial, I choose this car. Scroll down and select the link under download. It will start downloading. Scroll down. You're able to see this car replaces this STR Viper. Copy the name and check my video description for this code link. Press in keyboard Ctrl plus F to open up this search menu. Paste the name we copied. So it doesn't has this name. Half of the name I'm gonna backspace, and this is the car it replaces. So once you find the car, minimize this. Check my video description for this required mods. These two mods required. Right click on the car mod and select pin drawer and select open within drawer. Close stuff here and open the vehicles. Just close stuff here and right click on the game and select open file location. Before installing any mods, backup your Need for Speed Most Wanted game, copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the folder and go to vehicles. Drag and drop these two car mod files inside. Replace the file in the destination. Once you're done, go back to downloads. Install this cheat engine. Once you install that, open the cheat engine. And now you need to run the game, guys. Once you are in game, press Alt Tab to minimize the game and go back to cheat engine and select this icon to select your process to open and select the so the game is not listed in here. To fix this problem, close stuff here and reopen the cheat menu as administrator and select yes. Select your process to open and select the game and select open option and select this folder icon and go to downloads. You can able to see carchanger.ct mod and select open. Once it listed under the active, right click and select change record and value. Now we already searched which car replaces this. So copy the code and minimize this, paste the code in here and click on OK. The value has been changed. Now get back to game. To get the car, you need to crash your vehicle. And as you can see, we successfully added the vehicle, the same vehicle we add. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.